Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your 5ERS account to MetaTrader 5 quickly and easily. Now we are on the 5ERS website, so what we need to do is to go all the way down. So go all the way down here, and as you can see, we'll find this section over here. All you need to do is to click Open MT5, and this should be taking you to another page, which is this one. Now it has an error SSL can't handle, so we need to refresh it once more, and it should be working, as you can see here. Now once we are on this page, we need to connect using this information. So I'm going to choose this one here, pick this one here, and simply go ahead and connect to account. Now of course the account will have a problem in case you had an ad blocker on, so we need to deactivate it. So let's deactivate both of them. I have many ones, and as you can see now, I can refresh the page and it should be working without any problem. So I'm going to choose this again, login ID, login password, and as you can see, connect your account. It should have 0 problems. And as you can see, this is how we have connected 5ERS to MetaTrader 5. It's very simple and easy.